Hello everybody, my name is Gary Yao, and today I would like to share with you some of the regrets that first-time home buyers get when they purchase a home. Bear in mind that this doesn't happen to all home buyers. Actually, this type of regrets happens to 1 out of 5 homeowners, and of that I put a list together in no particular order. If you enjoyed this content, please share, subscribe, and let me know what other topics you would like to hear in regards to investing in real estate or buying your first home property. I'm a real estate agent, and if you want to learn more, you can always contact me directly. So let's get started. When you first buy a property, first-time home buyers get is that after closing, they wish they found a better rate. So the first regret that a lot of homeowners get is wish they got a better rate, interest rate. Now, why is this? It's because after they close, they find out that, hey, if we actually use this different program as opposed to this other one, perhaps we could have paid less in our monthly payment. Or they found out that perhaps they were veterans. Well, they knew they were veterans, but they found out that there were programs for veterans or first-time home buyers that allow them to get more support. Or let's say that you work for a government and you're a teacher, you could actually get more options. So one is that if you have questions regarding rates, you could always look for, perhaps ask for your bank, whoever you bank with, ask for what is the rate, and ask around. Do you know that when you get your, what's it called, your credit check, your credit score check, you can check for as many lenders as you want for 30 days, and that credit check will count as 1. So second regret is that they outgrew the house quickly. Now this comes when we are a young family and you want to have kids. You find out very quick that the closet it doesn't fit only your clothes. You have to include also your kids, your children's clothes. So one thing that I hear a lot is when showing houses is that they see a lot of cabinets. There's never a complaint about having too much cabinets or too much cabinetry, because people will find a way to fill it up. So they grew their house quickly. So make sure that when you buy a property, make sure that you know what your family size would be, or you want to have your in-laws moving in with you guys, or things that could happen that is going to be in the foreseeable future. Third is that the third regret is that they wish they had put more down payment. The main type of mortgages out there are the conventional and the FHA, Fair Housing Administration. When you actually, let's say that you get a loan through FHA, you have to put a mortgage insurance, PMI, PMI. I forgot what it stands for already. Property mortgage insurance. So what is this? Is that when you put more down payment, you don't have to pay for this mortgage insurance. Therefore, there's more money for you. If you have more down payment and you have a possibility to put more down payment, then you should consider doing that. Otherwise, you'll end up paying for the extra couple $100 just for the insurance. Yes? 4 is maintenance. When you're renting, let's say an apartment building, it's not your property. Therefore, you didn't have to take care of the painting of the house or the yard, or let's say, for example, just taking care of the appearance of the property. If a faucet leaks, then you can easily call the landlord or the property management to take care of it. But when you own the property, then it is your responsibility to make sure that everything is running smoothly. And if you're not ready for that kind of responsibility of taking care of the house, then perhaps you should take a step back and evaluate whether home ownership is right for you or not. Yes? So fifth, don't like the neighborhood. Don't like the neighborhood. There's really hardly anything you can do when it comes to buy a property. You're looking for that specific location. So it's location, location, location. One thing you can do when you're deciding to buy a property in a specific neighborhood is drive during the day and drive during the nighttime. See if you have noisy neighbors that play music, or that the party type, or maybe you're the party type and your neighbors are the quiet ones. So make sure that there's a synergy and it is what you're looking for. So make sure, again, that you drive by the property and decide this is good for you or not. Yes? 6 is parking situation. You have one car, 2 cars, one for you, one for your spouse, and suddenly, let's say that you have a teenage kid that is going to get their own car, and now you don't have enough parking because you have 2 parking garages. Then you might want to decide to look for places or locations or property that have enough parking space for you and your family. You know, maybe like a curb, maybe like a guest parking, or if you're looking at let's say one of those complex, there's enough space for you and your family. And last and not least is yard. As I mentioned, if you own a property, you're responsible for everything inside and outside. And that you have a yard, then you'll be responsible in the fall season to rack the leaf, and the spring season perhaps to water the lawn when it's spring and summertime, when the grass tends to need more tending. So these are the reasons. Make sure that you are ready for homeownership, and reality is you will need a roof over your head anyways. So if these little things, nuances, are not too much to break the deal, then perhaps you can adapt. And you can see that homeownership is actually something that can help you get ahead by building equity in it. If you'd like to learn more about real estate, you can contact me directly. And this is my contribution for you guys today, and I would like to talk to you guys soon.